Hey guys, it's 12-year-old mechanic, and today I'm going to put together the Ironton utility cart I got from Northern Tool. It's around $100, and you can buy add-on shelves to fit in it. One of the first things I noticed was how thick and durable the plastic was. It was around a 1/4 inch thick, and you could not bend it. The second thing I noticed was how short the legs were. I'm going to jump right into this and put it together. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in time lapse, so enjoy. So at this point, the cart is completely put together. For the sake of the video, I only put 2 bolts in each wheel and 1 screw in each leg. You'll have to go back and put the 3 screws in each leg and 4 bolts in each wheel. But the cart is very sturdy, taller than I would have imagined it to be, and I'm very pleased with this buy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.